Nyla, I want to tell you about my day. This board meeting I went to, I had a really great idea, and I was starting to share it with everyone, and this girl cut me off. I can't believe Ashley. She literally stopped me in the middle of my sentence, completely interrupting me, and wouldn't even let me finish. So you know what? At this next board meeting, we've got another one in 2 weeks. As soon as Ashley even opens her mouth, I'm going to make sure she doesn't get a chance to speak. An eye for an eye. Hello, welcome to The Modern Lady, where you'll learn how to elevate your life with elegance. I'm Deborah, and this is Miss Nyla. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get an update when I've got a new video to share. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you ladies so much for your continued love and support for my channel. I appreciate and adore you all. Pop culture says, if someone does you wrong, you have every right to get revenge. In fact, there's a very common phrase, an eye for an eye. But ladies, living a life of elegance is about treating people with kindness and respect, even if they disrespect you. Elegant women know to follow the golden rule to treat others the way that they want to be treated, not the way that others are necessarily treating them. In June 2016, at the National Democratic Convention, First Lady Michelle Obama had a very famous viral phrase, "When they go low, we go high." When someone's disrespectful, that should never motivate or inspire you to be disrespectful back. You should always take the high road, and that's what First Lady Michelle Obama was referring to. When they go low, we go high. You always want to take the high road. You want to be the bigger person, be the kinder, more gentle, more respectful person. You want to be the kinder person, not necessarily because it's the easiest, most convenient thing to do, because quite honestly, it's probably the most challenging and most difficult thing to do. But ladies, a life of elegance is about treating others with kindness and respect, all people at all times. You still want to carry yourself consistently with composure, so that way you can maintain your level of elegance. My advice to you is to always be kind. Always be kind to people, even your enemies, even people that you know don't like you. Always be kind, because people will always truly remember how you made them feel. And sometimes people have different things going on, different situations that are maybe inspiring or motivating them to take out anger or frustration on you. That doesn't make it appropriate, that doesn't discount it, that doesn't make it okay, but we just never truly know what other people are going through. Everyone deserves grace, and so as an elegant woman, you always want to treat others with kindness and respect. If you're looking for some more elegant inspiration, check out one of my latest videos on how to elegantly deal with rudeness. Now ladies, this video was inspired by one of my favorite shows of all time. It's probably my favorite show, my second favorite show. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I absolutely adore Scandal. Scandal is a really old show. I do watch old episodes over and over. I just can't get enough of Olivia Pope. Well, guess what? My second favorite TV show is Revenge. It's another very old show, so it's not currently running on television with new episodes. You can probably find it on Netflix or Hulu. Emily Thorne is my favorite, and it's another really amazing show for entertainment. But being entertained by someone's endless amount of revenge is certainly not a good motivational, inspirational source for us as we are living elegant lives in real life. So if you do watch the TV show Revenge, I would love to know from you, who is your favorite character, one, or what is your favorite episode? What is your favorite episode? I love the show. So many episodes end with you sitting on the edge of your seat, wondering what's next, what's going to happen. So share a comment below if you have watched this show, Revenge, and we will keep the conversation going. Ladies, thank you for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.